said that. I know my password and thing is right.
Well, let's see what mine does. Yeah, because if you stay there for a while, see, you just gotta log back in. Timed out means that you left it open.
Well, yeah, everything's closed, but it won't let me log in like back into it. Like at all.
Did you close the whole browser?
Yeah, like I shut down my computer and close it.
Oh, that's good though. Then you can take good notes.
That's why I didn't get to last night.
Yeah.
I'm serious.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
That was good.
That was good. I mean,
I like that. That was funny. Okay, so which ones?
6.
6?
I think the last one.
Yeah, and the last 3.
The last one also? All right, let's get to 6.
And then 12, I think, too.
13.
I just need to give you guys a heads up too. We were discussing yesterday also with Vista. We're getting through 3 more chapters before the end of the semester. What? We're getting through 3 more chapters by the end of the semester.
what?
We are going to do chapters 6, 7, and 9 by the end of the semester. And we'll test on all 3 of them. Because 8's really long, it's not going to happen within this semester. So we're going to start 8 in January. So 6 is what I heard.
It could be worse. You could have told us like.
Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got like what, a month, 2 months?
Yeah.
Come on, man. You guys do a chapter in a week.
Oh, so we are ahead.
No, we're like, I think we're right there. We're because it's gonna be because we also have what is it, turkey break.
Thanksgiving.
So yeah, we have a couple things that are making some weeks short. So here's 6. Let me grab. Did I just say turkey break?
Yeah.
That's what I said. Okay. Okay. Please close your laptops. Take those notes.
Are you still asking for our work to use my name too?
Yeah, I need to get into the habit of collecting that. Thank you. Yeah, I do. Please do it before class starts or when class ends, not during. It distracts me. I get very distracted. All right, so let's do this. Let's do this here real quick. Okay. So this means we're going to take 7x plus 3, and that's going to get divided into 21x to the third minus 54x squared plus 70. Whoops. Please check my signs. I messed up a problem yesterday because I made a negative a plus. Minus 76x minus 21. Now the first thing I'm going to check here is that all the variables are in there. So it's the numerator starts with x to the third, right? So it goes 3, 2, 1, none. So it looks like we're good. So I'm going to start by dividing. And remember, you're always dividing the first by the first, right, Alberto? So 21x to the third divided by 7x would become 3x squared. That's going to go up here with the squares. So 3x squared. When I multiply, everything is fair game. And I only should get 2 values down here. So I should get a binomial. The first one should be exactly the same as this because all I'm doing is the inverse of dividing, which is to multiply. Right? So I should get that back. Now 3x squared times 3 is a positive 9x squared. Okay? At this point, I need to change the signs and go ahead and do the operation. So 21x cubed minus 21x cubed is going to become 0. Negative 54x squared minus 9 is going to give me a negative, what is it, 60 what? 63? 63x squared minus 76x minus 21. Where did the negative 76x and negative 21 come from? We just brought down the rest of it. Okay? At this point, wash, rinse, repeat. Wash, rinse, repeat. We're going to divide the first one by the first one. So what's 63 divided by 7? 9. So minus 9x. Okay? Then we're going to multiply it back out. I know that I'm just doing the opposite, so this is going to become negative 63x squared. And then what's 9 times, or negative 9 times 3? Negative 27. I'm going to raise this up a little bit. Negative 27x, and I'm going to change my signs, or subtract. That's what we would do in the old model, right? Same idea. We're still subtracting. We're changing the sign. That first part should give me 0. Then I've got 76 plus 27, because negative times a negative makes a positive. So what is negative 76 plus 27? Math? 49?
Yeah, I think it's 49.
And I believe it's going to be, just because 7 goes into that, that's just a little verify. So I got my, should be negative, right?
Yep.
Negative 49, bring down my negative 21. So I'm just bringing down the polynomial. At this point, again, repeat. What is negative 49x divided by 7x? A negative 7. Multiply it out. Negative 49x and negative 21. And if I change the signs, I'm going to get a remainder of 0. And I'm done. I'm sorry? Multiply what? Yeah, so negative 7 times 3 is negative 21. I can't hear you. Go ahead. 9x squared. This one? So it was the red part, right? That's why I color coded it for you. So when I divided 21 by the 7, I got 3x squared, correct? So this times this gave me that, and this times this gives me that. So it's always times both of them. Look at the 9. 9 times 7 is the 63. Negative 9 times 3 is the negative 27. Okay? Same old division. Same old. Layla's not here.
It's quieter.
What?
She's in the office.
Oh, the office. Oh, I heard you say hospital for some reason. Did you too?
Wait, weren't you?
No, I'm not.
You're lying.
I swear.
Well, I'm not important, so.
This is not good. Besides Callie,
Wait, was it just the seniors?
Jacob, how to fix you?
Too many of us.
Yeah.
All the volleyball girls are in the office.
Okay.
Except for me.
But you're not.
I know.
Why? Did you miss a
I
meeting?
don't know.
Missed a meeting?
Math is better than volleyball.
Well, no.
What?
I'm just kidding.
You can't expect her to say yes.
Yeah, you're supposed to say yes.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Should I call her?
No.
I texted her and she texted me.
Moving on. So, any questions on this problem? Any part of it? Everyone have it down already? Okay, just go on to the next question. You fool. Did I show you guys that? No? Alright, never mind then. Which one?
See, that's the one I was talking about.
Oh, that's the
From
one.
the
Yeah, I was
stats?
talking about,
You
yeah.
fool, you're wrong. You just lost points.
Triangle club.
12? What is that? The volume of the box is 5x cubed plus 47 times, 47, I can't even read math today. What am I? The volume of the box is 5x cubed plus 47x squared plus 18x. The height is x, the length is x plus y. What is the width? Oh man, all right, so let's stop and think about this real quick. Stop and think about this real quick, okay? How do you find the volume of a box?
Height, length, and width.
So you took the length times the height times the width. Is that what you said? That gives me volume. Okay. Which of those did they give me? They gave me the height. They said the height was just x, right? So I'm going to change this for x. And they gave me the length. They said that was just x plus 9. So I don't know w. And then they gave me volume, which is 5x to the third plus 47x squared plus 18x. So I could kind of clean this up, right? If I multiply this out, I would get w times x squared plus 9x is equal to all of that. You believe me there?
Yeah.
All right, now let me ask you this question. What are we trying to solve for? We're trying to solve for w, right? Because they want to know the width. How would you solve this if this was an algebraic equation? Huh? Divide what? You would divide both sides by x squared plus 9x, right? So x squared plus 9x. That's what you would do, right? There you go. That's how you do it. You think it was going to be that easy? Math don't like hard. Repeat that to yourself. Math don't like hard. If math is hard and you're not doing it right.
That's all I was asking for? They didn't have
What? You know what? That's funny because sometimes it isn't. No, you'd have to actually do that.
Okay.
But you're still going to get some term of x. You guys want me to divide that one? Because that's a little different, isn't it? Okay. Let me see. Somebody write it down, because write this quotient down. We're going to need that right now.
Alright.
You got it, Greco? Oh, Peyton got it fast. She got a snapshot. All right, cool. Let's do it. So we are dividing. What is it? X squared? Or is it 9x squared? X squared plus 9x, and that's be divided into what?
5x cubed.
5x cubed. Minus or plus? Plus 47x squared plus 18x. That's it? Oh, all right, cool. So, let's keep the same idea going, okay? What is 5x cubed divided by x squared? What is it? It's 5x, right? 5x should go right there. Right? Okay, so what's 5x squared times 5x times x squared? 5x cubed. And what is 5x times a 9x? 45x squared. So plus 45x squared. We're going to change the signs. That's going to be 0. 47 minus 45 will give me 2x squared. I'm going to bring down the 18x. What is 2x squared divided by x squared? 2, right? 2? So plus 2. And I can put a 0 here if you want. Doesn't really matter. Just line up the integers. So 2 times x squared is a 2x squared. And then 2 times 9x is 18x. So when I change the signs, I can see that they're just opposites. So this is the measurement for the width. Math. Not bad at all, huh? Go man. I will survive. As long as I know how to divide, I know I'll stay alive. Cause I got all this math to learn.
Can you go back to what you left to like the original answer that was listed there?
Back to this.
Yeah.
Rawr. Sleepy? Those mornings, isn't it? When do you snap out of it?
Huh?
You know how when you wake up, you're like groggy, you're like, I don't want to go. And then it takes like, at a certain point where you're like, all right, I'm good to go. No, never. From bedtime to bedtime. It goes away when I'm ready to go to sleep again. Like some people I talk to say after they've had their coffee.
That man right there.
I'm sorry.
Wanted to get some pasta.
My wife makes it for me. I just grab my cup. Or she'll make it cold sometimes. I just grab out of this. Have you tried the cold brew coffee? Where you put the grinds in the jar and you fill it with water and you seal it and it'll sit there overnight. It's called cold brew coffee. It's supposed to be bomb.
Oh yeah, I saw the video.
Well, do try it with coffee. You're not supposed to, like, you can drink it the way it is. You don't need to put sugar in it because it's not. The water's not pushed through the grinds. It just kind of naturally gets the flavor and it's not. It's not supposed to be refreshing. Yeah, look for a recipe. Look for a simple
They take too long.
I want to try that for sure. Maybe this weekend.
I feel
What other questions did you have? Is that it?
Bend over after you got it done.
Because then we can just test.
That's what you said we were reviewing.
Oh yeah, my bad. I mean, that's what I meant to say.
Oh,
Then we can just go into review.
I wanted to study plan. but I
Check
finished it.
15. I don't remember.
Like this.
What? 15?
Yeah, I don't remember if I did.
Ew, I'm so annoyed right now. I don't know.
It's 2
Oh, it was
equal
4.
x.
Okay. I'll do this one right here for you. Okay. I don't need that much space on this one.
Yeah, watch. You're gonna need all this.
Okay. They want me to take the h function and divide it by the g function. So they want h divided by g of 2. So what goes into those functions?
Okay, I know it's
2x.
2, right? So if I put 2 in here, g is just 4, isn't it? And if I put 2 in here, then h is just going to be a negative 4. Correct? So what is negative 4 over 4?
0.
No.
I mean 1.
Negative 1. You're done.
What did it say?
I was just tired about it.
There's probably a different way how to do it though.
Math.
Wait, how did you get?
You just plugged in the 2.
How did you get negative 4 out of?
Well, 2 goes here, right? So what's 2 minus 4? Sorry, 2 minus 6.
Oh, but it showed me a different way. It was more complicated. So I like that.
I'm not going to show you complicated. I don't want to show you
When I asked for a
complicated.
question, help, they showed me like.
Yeah, they'll show you like complicated ways. Whenever they actually give you a number, that's the easiest thing to do. Because all you have to do is solve with that number and use that number. Huh?
I can often be like that. I thought that you had to. Okay, it was weird.
Here's what they probably did. They said, all right, h is x minus 6, and the other one is 2x, right?
Yeah.
So that is it. So when you plug in 2, so you're going to put a 2 here and a 2 here, you're going to get negative 4 over 4, which is still negative 1.
Yeah,
Kay's
that's-
upset that you guys, she didn't get invited to the meeting.
We sent a text out to her. Yeah, and that said I wasn't in it, and he said sorry.
Wait, why did you say you were in it?
He said he didn't include me in it. I was like, sorry, I didn't put your name in the message.
Just fight it. Don't fight it.
Oh, we.
Let's settle this on the court. I miss
I was
it.
busy learning.
You guys ever see a dance off? Like when two guys, dudes are ready to fight, and they're like, all right, man, let's do this. And they bring out the boombox. It's like,
It's hot in here.
no. I got to see that one time. I was like, what just happened?
That's when I walk away. Circle sharpshooter.
We should watch it.
The dance offs, they got some good ones. They have one where they have like a little kid going against a professional. Like, ooh, watch out. Let's not. What are your other questions? Is that it?
I got it. I just like still have problems.
Alright, cool.
What fourth hour do you have?
What, 4th hour? Computer science principles? Oh, this was for my meeting I went to. I had my park. I should turn this off already. I had my parking tickets, not tickets, my parking receipts on, and I made sure